Long time no talk. It's been I guess not really a time. It's been okay since I last talked to you guys. That's you, honey. Yeah, my little bun. He's on top of the Hello Kitty Squishmallow anyway. I took today off of work because my back is not okay. And also, to be completely honest with you guys, I really needed a mental health day. The aggravation level in my brain and everything, I needed a day away from my job. It's funny because one of my coworkers is like, do you still do your videos? Do you talk shit? And I'm just like, no, not really. But I will spill a little tiny tidbit of tea. It's starting to feel like how my old job was becoming near the end, where I was like, I'm just done. But then again, this time I'm also pregnant and I have a lot of hormones in my body. I know, as I've mentioned before, everything just bothers me so much more, and I want no one near me. I want to be left alone. I just want to just get this bag and go home. The way that my job has been going this whole year, even before I got pregnant, has been a complete and utter show. That's all I'm gonna say about it. Not that every job should be like, oh my god, yay, happy all the time. Something about this year, I'm just like, very happy I'm gonna have a maternity leave. Very happy I'm having my son, obviously, but I'm happy to step out of this situation as soon as I can. Like, there's people that are leaving that have been there for years and years and years. So if that doesn't say something, I don't know what does. So today is more so of a mental health day for me, which I was originally going to take tomorrow. And my mom was like, why didn't you just do that? And I was like, because I'm stupid. They've already like threatened me with my attendance thing. And I'm just like, well, I'm pregnant. So the amount of caring I have right now is this much. Maybe like this. I just don't. And that sounds terrible, but it's true. So we are just hanging out right now. I'm gonna watch some Nikki DeMar videos. My mom wants to go to Sephora today. I don't know if I probably will do that because I have something I have to return anyways. I don't think I'll buy anything, but I also just want to throw out there because I feel like someone has mentioned this on TikTok and I'm like, oh my gosh, that sounds actually like it's true. The only reason why Ulta does their like beauty deals, 21 days of beauty, whatever they're calling it now, because they need to get rid of expired products that they have no room for anymore. But some of it is actually makeup brushes, so I don't think brushes can expire. As far as products go, people are saying it's expired stuff. Someone confirm that for me, please, because I'm really curious. Look at these roots, you guys. I feel like my roots are usually not this crazy. But the truth of the matter is, this is what happens when you let your hair dry naturally, which I usually really don't do that often anymore. Unless it's like the summertime and I have nowhere else to go. I could just soak it and it's a 10 and like, look at this. Like, this is, yeah, the roots. I literally have to throw my hair to the side for it to look okay. Back is better. We left the house. I went to TJmaxx and I got some things for myself. I think it's fair because I deserve it. Also, random, I bought another DLA lip oil, which I love these. If you haven't bought from DLA Cosmetics, I highly recommend. This is the one that I always use, which clearly it's in CEO. And I bought this one called Wait For You. I thought it was like she just changed the name or something and it was the same. Clearly not. Got this on TikTok shop too, so if you're like and then I also have this one because I've gotten rid of a few of them that I wasn't using and gave them away, but we have pretty privilege. Love that one too. The other reason why I wanted another one is because this one's kind of exploded, but that's okay. This is like my less of better, I feel like. And this is like the lip oil of my last summer. Lip oil I used the most last summer. Let me get it together. A lot of my brushes have been breaking lately because I've had them since like, I don't know, 2015, 2016, maybe longer than that. I got another set of brushes, but this is the Hello Kitty Impressions Vanity collection, which is perfect because it just matches both of my mirrors, my chair, obviously the packaging, but I really love the pattern. The pattern, that's what we're going with, the pattern. Okay, little bag, this little Hello Kitty bag. For my hair girl will probably see this by the time this is up anyway, but I got her a couple things as like a late Christmas, but also congrats to you're pregnant. She's also pregnant and she is 4 weeks behind me. Yeah, so her baby's due in August, mine's due in July, so I just wanted to get her. I got her the Sol de Janeiro scent. It actually smells really good, and I got her one last year and I didn't get her anything for Christmas and I felt like an So there's that. And she's about to have 3 kids. Detangling brush for coily, curly, thick, and wavy hair. I wanted to, at least when I don't feel like blow drying my hair, I want to try and wave my hair, get my hair to wave on curl on its own, which has been very difficult because obviously my hair is bleached. And I know that probably shouldn't matter because there was a girl I worked with last year that dyed her hair a lot and her hair still naturally was very curly. I guess it does take some work. So we're gonna attempt and try, and if it don't work, then it don't work, and I have another brush, so whatever. And I think my grandma used to have a brush like this too. My mom and I both bought this purse. I've actually been looking for this purse for like the last year or so, and then ended up giving up because I was like, ah, hell with it, whatever. It's a Speedy, and it just says Juicy, and it's black, and that's all I need. So cute, love it. Looking for this purse for so long. I'm very happy to find it. However, I really want to take this strap off and I don't think I can, so that is kind of annoying. Another baby to add to the collection. She'll probably be my summer fall bag. I don't know, we'll see. I change purses out a lot anyways. 2 beauty-ish products. I got another It's a 10 because mine, as you guys know, I add water to it when it gets really low and it's hard to spray because I'm cheap. And if I wanted to get the 10 fluid ounces from Ulta, it would cost me $40. I got it at TJ Maxx, only cost me $24. So whatever, you can say what you want about their beauty products at TJ Maxx, but I'd rather buy this for 24 bucks. That's all. They went up with this in price. This used to be $12.99. This is now $14.99. The Kula sunscreen. This is fragrance free, SPF 50. This is the only one there, so I grabbed it for the summer because yes, even though I'm having a whole child, okay, I'm still planning on going out and taking him with me. And no, I'm not putting sunscreen on him because apparently newborn baby skin is very, very delicate and you shouldn't do that up to a year or have them out in the sun for the first few months of their life. But if I do take him out, he's going to be heavily shaded and there's no need to worry. So everyone just chill out. Let me live my life with my child. Okay? Okay. No one asked, but I'm throwing it out there because mom shamers, man, they're crazy. Another pair of sunglasses because I can't resist sunglasses, and these look like the perfect get the away from me, leave me the alone sunglasses. I got them and they're by True Religion. They were $12.99. I've never had anything by True Religion. That's everything I got. I didn't really get much. My mom got so much more than me, but that's usually how it goes now. I used to be the one that's like, ha, and now it's They had a lot of Hello Kitty stuff. Like they had like a whole shelf stack of these Hello Kitty clocks, and my mom's like, you need to get one, it's only 20 bucks, you need to get it. But here's my thing, my house is not really completely my house, you know what I mean? If you're married or have a partner or whatever, like there's compromises to things. So I don't feel like putting a Hello Kitty clock anywhere in my house unless there was a room that was designated to be mine completely, and that's not a reality. So therefore, other teenage boys and girls out there that love Hello Kitty, run to TJ Maxx. They have a ton of Hello Kitty clocks. And my mom also said, she's like, you could put it in the baby's room and he'll just think it's a cute kitty. And I'm like, no. This is as much Hello Kitty as he will see in this room, which is just my lights, my chair, my brushes. That's it. And he will know it's mom's. And if he ends up liking it and wants it, then that's him. But we're not even gonna go down that road. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. I try so hard to make this house not so dirty, but my husband makes that impossible because the level of crumbs, I mean, granted there's some cereal bits, which is probably from me. I spray down these counters and the stove. I make sure there's nothing gross, and yet it's covered in crumbs. Good morning, everybody. You haven't seen me in a bit. This sore throat thing I've been dealing with has been progressively getting worse. I don't know if it's just from pregnancy, the change of the weather, allergy season coming. I don't know, but it's all the way down here. Fun. And I'm also a mouth breather. When I sneeze. When I sleep, so that doesn't help. And I've been popping emergency packets and immunity shots from my tea place, like they're going out of style. Cough drops. Even though I can take medicine while I'm pregnant, I'm still paranoid. Why did I take out 2 pieces of bread? It is 6:45 in the morning. For breakfast, we are gonna make some peanut butter banana toast because that sounds really good right now. And I have now decided at almost 26 weeks pregnant that I'm gonna start trying to eat better and be better. And to be honest, I don't really eat that bad to begin with. I think I've just let my cravings kind of take a hold of me a lot of the time. And I'm paranoid about the glucose tests and getting gestational diabetes. We are gonna work on that. I also have not worked out my entire pregnancy. Granted, this is my first pregnancy and my first baby, and I'm new to all of this. And you know, originally, you know, you think before you have kids or whatever, before you actually get pregnant, I'm gonna work out, I'm gonna stay healthy, I'm not gonna eat all this shit. You thought, like I ate very good before this. Like I was on a journey of cutting sugar out for the most part and eating a lot of protein and trying to include a lot of greens and veg and just trying to be better to myself. And then I got pregnant and baby boy wants burgers, he wants tacos. Lately I've had a really bad sweet tooth that I'm trying to calm down. More than anything, I'm just getting bigger. I am 6 months now. Belly is bellying. He is moving. And probably not that massive. I feel like I'm gonna end up like my mom was, because she was not big with me or my sister, and I feel like that's gonna happen to me. But who knows? He could decide to just make me have a weird belly. I don't know. Today is very exciting because it is Good Friday. I'm off of work. I'm gonna go to Target with my mom this morning because I have to get some things. I'm running out of toothpaste. I want to get more emergency packets that are not the ones you just put in your mouth, the drinkable ones for home, because I have 1 packet left and I need those really badly. Gotta get more like protein bars. I've been eating protein bars. I should just be eating my Built bars that are in the cabinet, but those have been in there since October. More snacks for my lunches because I work next week and then I'm off for a week for spring break. I'm so happy about that too. And we are going to Maine for baby moon. My mom and I are also gonna go to Sephora, even though it's not the Sephora sale. I really don't give a shit about it. Let me be honest with you. I used to care. I know it sounds bad. I don't know what I'm doing. I know it probably sounds terrible. Like, you don't want to save money, Sam? No, I don't really care, because to me, the sale is not worth it. And let me tell you why. First of all, the only substantial discount that you could get on a product is if you're a VIB Rouge. And you have to spend a lot of money to be a VIB Rouge. You have to spend like $1,000 or something at Sephora. Second of all, half of the shit that you want is going to be sold out. If you are not a VIB Rouge and have, or VIB, and have first access to all of the items, especially things that you really want or stock up on, it's gonna be gone. If you're a beauty insider, it's gonna be gone. Like, just don't even bother. Don't even bother looking, it's gone. Guaranteed. Also stupid, and I'm also stupid because I just threw my knife in there and I needed it. Sephora's reward system sucks. It's terrible. I don't think it's worth it. The only reason I would shop there is because they do have brands that Ulta does not have. I figured out a hack. They'll get your Ulta points if you shop at Sephora. Use your Ulta MasterCard gift card, credit card. Is that the smartest idea? Probably not. That's how you can make it worth your while. Use your Ulta credit card at Sephora. Are we even still shopping at Sephora? As far as children wise, you know, like, I've heard so many horror stories of women like going in there, or guys even going in there, and like, not even just the Sephora kids, but the employees are just like up your, and that literally happens to me when I go to, and I'm just like, oh, do you want a basket? Oh, you want this? I know that's their job. I know they're supposed to do that, but like, bitch, I just walked in the store. Don't you think I'm stealing already? Like, chill the out. Like, it's just, Sephora is not a nice leisurely place to shop unless you go when, I don't know, if there's a sweet spot you can go and not have that happen to you. Not it, sis. So anyways, I've got my toast. I'm gonna eat this, relax for a bit, get ready, and start my journey for the day. I don't even know if you can, wow, that's really bad. This is the fit. Tasman's jumpsuit, baby boy, my little mini Louis Speedy bag, which I want to carry right now. I don't know why. Actually, I do know why, because TikTok, because I've seen girls do what's in my purses with these, and I'm just like, oh my god, I missed mine. Jacket is Target, jumpsuit is from Amazon, I believe, or Temu before I stopped buying on that. Yeah, jewelry, this necklace I think is from Temu. It's just a pink cross. Earrings are probably Target. Ring from my mother, ring from Pandora from my husband, And then I have my permanent bracelets from Beauty by AMR, I think. I'll put her thing here. If you're in Connecticut, she was great. Permanent jewelry. So yeah, that's all I'm wearing today because this is the fit. And can you believe I already have to pee? So good idea, but not good idea. It's fine, it's fine.